Hello guys, this is CodeNCode and this is video editorial for the problem Japanese cities names taken from HackerRank of course, and we'll be solving this using SQL queries. Again, the difficulty level is easy. We are practicing a where statement that we have learned in the third lecture of MySQL TQL course. Now, so let's have a look at the table. We have a city table and which has fields, that means columns, ID, name, country code, district and population. What do we have to select? Query the name of all Japanese cities, right? All Japanese cities. Query means select. Select the names of all Japanese city. So we only have to select names. So let's change the dialect to MySQL. So first of all, we have to write the select statement, select. This time, if you see, we don't have to select everything from this table. We only need to select the name. Okay, name is one of the field. So we only need to select this. So select name from city table. Okay, so I have to select name in the city from the city table, right? But we have to select name of Japanese cities only. So if you see, we have rows. In each row, we have ID, name, country code, district, and population. So basically, it stores the detail of a city. Along with that, it also stores for which country it is, of which country this city is, right? So country code also we have there. So if we want to select Japanese cities, we can set the country code to JP, and that means Japan. All right. So if you see, we have to apply a condition. As soon as you know that we have to apply condition, we know that we are going to write a where statement. And how do you write a where statement? We have learned in the third lecture. You write something like this. Its format is something like this. You write where and then column name and whatever condition you want to apply on it. Right? So if you see, we are going to apply condition, so we'll write where. On which column we are going to apply condition? On country code. Why? Because we want only those cities which are from Japan, right? So its country code should be Japan. So country code, let me simply copy it. So country code, which is column, equals to, that is your operator. This is how we write, right? Column name, operator, and then value. Column name is country code, operator is equals to, and value is JPN. If we see, country code is varchar, that means string. So its value will either enclose in single quotes or double quotes, up to you, right? So country code is equals to Japan. So this is how we are going to select only names of all of the cities of Japan, right? So if we run it, okay, we are passing. The test cases are passing. So if we submit it, we should not get any error. Yeah, only one test case and we are passing it comfortably. Okay, so this is how you solve Japanese cities name using where statement. All right. So this is all for this lecture. Let's meet again in the next lecture. Until then, keep coding. Thank you.